We're here at the Healthcare Career Open House at VGH. Let's go check it out. What's the most valuable thing you learned at the open house today?
Definitely that there are a lot of opportunities for people our age.
The most valuable thing I learned here is that there's a lot of diversity in careers in the medical field.
There's many different jobs that you could take on in healthcare, and not only as a physician, but there's also technology behind, such as cardio techs and etc. like that, which is really interesting.
Did you get any new ideas for a possible career in healthcare today?
A lot with like home care and like long-term care, which is pretty cool. I think I'm also considering biomedical engineering now, which was not my interest at all at the beginning.
I'm probably thinking about going into speech-language pathology.
So why are you interested in a healthcare career?
I really like helping people. I've wanted to be in healthcare since we did a little project on it in grade 6, so a while ago. And I've been interested ever since.
It's because I want to be there for my parents and like my family when they need help. So like instead of paying others and like waiting for an ambulance to come, I want to be able to help them on the spot.
So as a healthcare worker, what do you think is the benefits of having an open house like this?
I think it's great. I think we need more healthcare workers in all different areas of the hospital. I find it with my job and many others that we're always short-staffed. So I think bringing future students in, I think it's a great opportunity for people to get more of an understanding of what happens with each job.